Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to make your Notion workspace more fun and expressive? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to embed eye-catching GIFs into your Notion pages. Whether you want to liven up your notes, make your to-do lists more motivating, or just express yourself with a little animation. By the end of this video, you'll know 2 quick and easy ways to add GIFs to any Notion page. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's start by finding the perfect GIF. The easiest place to go is Giphy.com, which is pretty much the internet's treasure trove for animated GIFs. So head over to Giphy in your browser. If you already have a specific mood or joke in mind, type it into the search bar and browse through the results. For example, maybe you want a celebratory yay for completed tasks, or a reaction GIF to highlight a key point in your notes. Once you spot the one you love, give it a click to pull up the individual GIF page. From here, all you need to do is copy the GIF's link. On Giphy, this is really simple. There should be a copy link or copy GIF button right next to the GIF. Clicking this instantly puts the GIF's URL onto your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need it. And if you don't see the button, you can always right-click the GIF itself and choose Copy Image Address. It's important to get the full address, not just the web page link, so you're copying the actual file's path. Ready to head into Notion? Open the Notion page where you want the GIF to appear. This could be a dashboard, a journal, a project plan. Any workspace can get a little upgrade with animation. Place your cursor on the spot where you'd like to embed the GIF. Now just paste. Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. You'll notice right away that Notion recognizes it's a media link, and it'll give you a couple of options. Choose Embed when prompted. This tells Notion to treat the URL as a dynamic image, not just plain text. In a few seconds, your GIF will load right onto the page, and it'll start looping and animating beautifully. If it takes a moment, don't worry. Sometimes Notion needs a few seconds to fetch and display the animation. Just refresh if you don't see it right away. Sometimes you'll want to embed a GIF that you've saved to your computer instead, maybe a personal animation or a custom meme you made. You can absolutely do that. In Notion, type /, that's just I. Then start typing image. When image pops up in the menu, hit enter. This opens up the upload dialog. Here, select the GIF file from your device and give it a moment to upload. Notion treats animated GIFs just like any other image, so it'll display and loop it right on your page. If you're uploading a bigger GIF, there may be a short pause while it processes, so don't panic if it takes a few seconds. And that's it. 2 simple ways to embed a GIF in Notion. Either grab one from Giphy and embed the link, or upload your own with the image shortcut. You can use this for highlights, reactions, project status markers, or just to add a splash of personality to your digital workspace. Try mixing it up. You might find a perfect GIF that rolls across your dashboard every time you check it, keeping you motivated and entertained. If this tutorial helped you, I'd love for you to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions about Notion or want to share your favorite GIF sources. And if you want more simple, useful guides for Notion and other productivity tools, don't forget to subscribe. I've got new tutorials coming every week. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning!